Trust me. Everything's gonna be fine. You met me at a very strange time in my life. With your feet on the air,
one down. It's in the end zone. What do you do?
Slow this down. Slow it.
Oh, it's knocked away. And the New York.
Kevin Booth with the hole.
Now, here come the Giants and almost down to Mario Manningham. He can't haul it in, and that's Sterling Moore, who played a big game like he did against Baltimore.
Back up là-dessus, moi je suis en train de le faire. Tu sais-tu ce que je fais dans la vie?
Non, je sais pas.
Mais tu devrais le savoir.
Je le saurais si tu me l'avais expliqué.
Je te l'aurais expliqué si tu m'avais déjà écouté.
Il y a eu quoi, 3000 morts à peu près? Historiquement, c'est relativement insignifiant. Simplement pour prendre un exemple américain, il est mort 50 000 personnes à la bataille de Gettysburg. Par contre, ce qui est significatif, comme diraient mes vieux professeurs de l'université, c'est que le cœur de l'Empire a été touché.
If there's any town this world would be better without, this is it.
Yes. Shoot them, burn down the town. What? Something else, eh?
There's a family with kids. Do the kids first and make the mother watch. Tell her you'll stop if she can hold back her tears. I owe her that.
We are failing.